It's Wynter Reign TV and welcome to my channel. I hope this video gives you a splash of happiness today and every day. Let's drop on in.
Hi, today we're baking cupcake. I'm so excited to do the new video with you. So let's get started. Reign TV and click the icon if you want to visit my website.
Subscribe.
And say subscribe to my channel and press the and smash this thumbs up. And I never said that first. So let's get started for the video.
Okay, here.
Here?
Pour the cake mix in the bowl.
Okay. I don't want too much.
And pour the cake mix in the bowl, please.
So much. Okay, well, put the cake mix in there.
Okay.
Do we need to put the milk in next?
1 second. Let's get all the cake mix.
Okay. Look at it go, raindrops. Let's now.
Party rainbow chip cake mix.
I love party rainbow chip cake mix. I love eating that. I don't eat it too much. Well, all of the cake mix are going away. Bye bye, cake mix.
Wait. Okay, let me see. Was it a cup? Yeah, 1 cup. Okay. 1 cup.
Just like a cake. Yeah. But give me it. So I can pour the rest in. Okay, right. Now we're gonna do it. Crack the eggs.
Okay. I can't get no shell in there, so let mommy help. Why don't we crack them in there first? In the bowl. In this cup first, because I don't want the shell in it. Okay. Don't lose the egg. In the cup, Wynter. In the cup, Wynter.
Dip it in the cup.
Well, you almost lost it. Be careful. Okay. Go put that in the garbage.
Okay, bring it out. We'll be right.
Oh. Thank you. You always get shell in there. Oh, boy. Sorry, the kitchen is tiny. Yeah, what is Elsa doing up here?
I don't know. She just climbed up here.
Oh, he was doing her hair?
Yeah, doing it.
It says 3 eggs. Pour the eggs in.
Okay. Well, this is going to be so tricky, isn't it? Raindrops. Okay, we're all the eggs in. See you later, eggs. Look at Mama.
Okay. No, and O.
Just wasn't gonna mix it up a little bit.
Not yet. Thank you. Okay, now we have to put a 1/2 cup of oil, vegetable oil.
Yeah, vegetable oil.
Stay still on the bowl, Wynter.
Okay, well.
Thank you.
I did a video on me, not on the bowl.
Well, you have to wait a second.
I'm waiting.
Okay, so we'll put our blender in nice and slow.
Wow! They're getting gold raindrops! Stirry in there.
Hold the bowl, Wynter.
Hold it.
Mommy.
Raindrop, isn't it stirry? It's so cool when you stir it up. Mom, isn't it so cool when you stir it up? It looks like jelly and butter. It's so cool. And when we're going to put the sugar in?
This already has sugar. We don't need no more. We don't need any more. Sorry.
Oh, we made the cupcake with sugar.
Wynter, it comes with sugar already sweet, okay? We don't add any more sugar. You got enough sugar. Okay?
Look at it go in there. Oh, the big cupcake. It's so good. I can't see it. Oh, messy. Now can we stir it up?
We just did one too.
I want to
pull
lick
it
it
out.
up.
Pull it out. Hold it.
I can't.
There you go.
Let's do this. No, I'm good. Take up. Not my bad.
See, it's already sweet, right? Told you.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Okay, next we're going to pour them. Oh, maybe we should spoon them. I don't think I want to pour them. We'll spoon them in the cup.
Mm.
How about that?
That's a big spoon. Don't bump it on me. I'll put a video on me.
When you finish with that one, just put it in the sink.
No, I won't. I love looking at it. It's good. It's a little bit spicy. So excited to eat the cupcakes.
Pay attention.
Oh, sorry. Mommy.
Okay, that's enough.
I had a lesson and let's put get in the spoon.
Yeah, you did. I don't want to make a mess.
And that cake makes it good. Cake makes it good.
Okay, yeah, you can do it.
I can do it by myself now?
I'm still staying here to help.
But don't help me.
I'll help you a little bit.
I can do it by myself.
Yes. Okay, be careful.
Well, stop helping me
I
now.
have to help a little bit.
Well, stop it now.
Okay.
I can do it by myself.
Okay.
Oh, I made a mistake. I put it on the pan.
It's okay. It's okay. Just turn it so it go in the bowl. Here.
But I
mean,
can
in the
still
little
get off on my
cupcake.
hand.
Okay, watch it. Leave that alone. All right. All right, now don't put your finger back on there.
It's good.
All right. If that didn't work into doing it, I'll do it.
Because Mama is a big girl. She's older than me, so she can do it.
I know.
But
You can do it too. I just don't want to clean the mess up, unfortunately. And I made a mess too. Let's wipe it off.
You all made a mess. We all made a mess. Mommy. I can be older enough so I won't put the shells in with the eggs.
Hmm?
I wish I can be older enough so I won't put the shells in the eggs.
Mm-hmm.
It took a long time for me to be older.
No, stay little. Don't rush. Don't want to be older yet. A lot of responsibilities when you're older. You gotta stay little and finish school. Then you got plenty of time to be older.
Plenty of time take a long time.
Plenty time. Plenty of time. You're only little once. Oh, I need a tissue.
Just lick it off your hand.
No, you need to get a tissue.
Mommy.
Yep.
What little kids do, they just put their finger in their mouth and then they get it off.
Yeah, I know. We gotta be careful with germs and putting fingers in your mouth nowadays with the coronavirus. Yeah, me neither. Move your cup of water. Hold the bowl for mommy, please.
Why?
Because it's moving.
I'm
Just
not
hold it
blender
so I
in
can
it.
pick it up. Looks like we used all of the cupcake mix.
There's a little bit, but I can lick. No, we got one more to go.
One more cupcake, yeah.
Yeah, I ran out. You want to what? Can you put the oven light on so I can see how the cupcakes are baking?
I don't think our oven light works. So
Let's
we'll
put
just open it and look at them, okay? We can still see.
We can still see
Yes, okay.
the last one.
We gotta scoop all of that out.
Let's
Hold the
scoop.
bowl.
I'm holding it.
Wait, you're dropping too much. Whoop, wait. Oh, boy. You got more on the bottom of the spoon than in the spoon. Hold the bowl, please.
I'm getting tired.
Girl, you said you wanted to do it. You can't be getting no tired arm. Pour this thing in the cupcake.
My other arm was tired, so I used my left arm.
Alright.
My arms. ReignDrops right now. Right now, Mama just putting the cupcake mix in the bowl. I know. I don't know what she's doing. But look at it going up. But maybe I should have a little conversation. Like something. My hair is messy. I'm gonna buy myself. But that's enough. She's spilling it.
Well, I want to use all of it so I don't go to waste. There's some left.
Mommy, you're dripping it.
Okay. I'm going to get all of it in there. So one box makes 12 cupcakes.
And I put it in the oven. Again. So, Mommy, yeah. Put it in the oven.
Relax, I gotta get every bit.
No.
Use your finger. This is our cupcake mix, and now one whole box fits 12 cupcakes. How many cupcakes we have, Wynter?
12.
Did you count them?
I will. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
Good.
13.
It's 12. You counted that one twice. If you count in the order, you won't mess up. So it's 12 cupcakes.
Yeah, 12. Okay, so let's put it in the oven.
And Wynter's licking the bowl. Is it good?
Yeah, it tastes gooder than ever. It just made me fall asleep.
Okay, Wynter's getting itis, and we didn't even eat the cupcake yet.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's put them in the oven, ReignDrops. We'll be back to check them. Stay tuned.
Mom, I'm gonna make sure on the ReignDrop. Mom, you're gonna that what I'm doing, check them on the ReignDrops.
Yeah, we'll look in there in 10 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah, ReignDrops. Mama, can I eat breakfast until the cupcakes are done?
Yep.
Okay. Okay.
You want cereal?
No, I want that kind of cereal. What you put in there? I want that kind of cereal. I want that kind of cereal, Mama. Rain and Skittle, rain and Skittle.
Oh, they're getting puffy.
Yeah, they're getting puffy. ReignDrop, rain. ReignDrop, look at those cupcakes bake. Look at them.
Cupcakes are out. They look like little round circles. So we're gonna let them cool and then frost them. And we made cupcakes this morning for breakfast, and Wynter's eating her cereal. What kind of cereal are you eating?
I forgot what it's called.
Fruit Loops with almond milk. She calls almond milk calm milk. So you're eating your Fruit Loops with your caramel milk and watching Paw
Here we
Patrol.
go. Now we're gonna put the frosting on.
I'm going to leave them in here. Now they're all done. And we have white frosting.
Ooh, mama. Ooh, mama.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like what you put on your bagel.
Oh, cream cheese.
It looks like cream cheese what you put in the bagel.
Wynter.
I don't know how to do it.
Okay, well, just ask for some help. Just rub it on there. And get some more. Don't put your hands in there. Get some more on this
I
knife.
just love it. Whoa.
One side, Wynter. Just this side right here. Right?
It's good.
Rub it in. It said keep your fingers out of there.
It's good. I love it.
Now we're just gonna rub the white frosting, and then Wynter could decorate hers however she wants.
I like this one. This one is mine. This one is mine, Mama.
You want sprinkles? Or some
Or what?
sprinkles?
What else do we put on there?
We have sprinkles, and we have sprinkles.
Like what? Well, I wish we could have M&M's to put on.
Well, we don't have M&M's. So we don't have.
I ate all the M&M's.
I think so, Wynter.
I did.
Okay, so we'll just do yours for now, and I'll finish the rest. Okay, ReignDrops, thanks for joining us while we make our pretty
No, Mama.
birthday cupcakes.
I want to hold the camera to you while you're doing the rest. So give me the phone.
Okay, it's gonna take a while.
No.
It's already long enough.
No. Just give me.
Let me get the calm down. And let me get the sprinkles, and then you can put the sprinkles. There
Okay,
we
we
go.
got. Now we're gonna put. Mom,
You want to put a W on yours? Let's put a W.
No.
Okay, guess not. What is that? Just a circle?
No.
Mm-hmm.
It is a zucchini.
Oh, a zucchini. Yeah, Wynter loves zucchini. Okay.
Yeah, I eat zucchini so much because I love it.
Well, zucchini is a little longer than that, but that's okay.
Mama.
And what else? Do you want to put sprinkles? Don't touch all the cupcakes.
No, Mama. I want to put all the green.
No, just decorate yours, and I'm going to put frosting. That one is no good. It's old. It doesn't smell good.
Wait, what? Put it on there.
That's from last Christmas.
What? You remembering that this is... Two?
Okay, don't put too much in one little section.
I'm not. Well.
Okay. Now that kind of looks more like a zucchini. Into zucchini cupcake. Are you putting sprinkles?
Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe I gotta think about like something.
Alright.
But I do want sprinkles.
Okay, close it up. All done. Where's the top?
Oh,
Thank you. Don't lose it.
no, Mom. Oh no, I want to put the green.
Nope.
No, let's
Close
put,
it up.
No,
No.
Mom. Let's put the green. All the green.
It's not going on all of them, okay? It's just yours. Nobody else want that. Now just put it on yours, please.
Oh,
I don't want that. If I eat one, I don't want that on mine. You could just put it on there as you eat it.
No. I'm not gonna put a tiny dot.
I don't want it. I don't want a dot.
No, I don't want a little dot.
Okay, one dot when I finish. You want sprinkles?
Yeah, maybe I want green sprinkles.
You want green? Okay.
Can't open them. Mom, let me put the sprinkles on.
Don't put too many. There's a lot of big holes. Go soft.
Okay. No, stop.
Go softly.
I will. Not coming out.
It will. There we go. It's coming out. Whoa! Okay.
That's just spread.
Yep. That's good enough.
Mine is gorgeous.
It's beautiful. Are you gonna take it now?
Maybe yes.
We need a bowl. Here, take a plate.
No, I can do my spoon.
I'll taste it.
Yeah.
How's it taste?
Go.
Yummy?
Yeah, yummy.
Okay, well, our perfect cupcakes are delicioso. Well, you didn't eat the cupcake one. You just kind of ate frosting. You didn't taste the cake.
Because I love frosting so much.
Well, you have to actually taste the cake too.
Oh. And I would do it with the frosting then.
Oh, you got a mess. Okay, there you go. Now taste the piece of cake with your little toy spoon. Good? Yay! Delicious!
Next video. Bye.